Today's Wednesday, September 24th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado power antenna. This is the limiter-based 4-contact variant. Okay, this is for my friend Todd up in Massachusetts. So the unit has been completely disassembled and fully restored, and I'm going to be doing a functional validation test. I've gone ahead and partially disabled the limiter, which is basically the red and green wires. So those should not be connected to, since our friend Todd has elected not to use the original Delco stereo and has augmented his car. So he'll be using the up-down modality switch within the dash, within the instrument cluster area. And I'll go ahead and apply power. That is the limiting base feature. This is the full extents. I will do a full retraction. And the unit self-parks after 4 rotations. Okay, I'm going to do a full actuation as if I was using the modality switch. Full 36-inch extents. Full retraction and self-parking. Okay, so that's the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado original vintage power antenna that has been modified with semi-disabling of the limiter so that it'll work with only the modality switch once connected to the 76 Eldorado for my friend Todd up in Massachusetts. So this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 parts specific to the Eldorados from 67 through 78, 375,000 parts from 1959 through 76, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, the internal dash components, including the cluster switches, as well as the power antenna, as depicted in this video, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Wednesday, September 24th. Thank you very kindly.